Now I want to show you how to install the driver for Epson EcoTank L5310. So go to Windows Start, go to Microsoft Edge, then type Epson EcoTank L5310. Select on it, then select Epson L5310 support. Select on it. It will show you the printer. So once you select Epson L5310 support, then you scroll down to select Epson product setup. Select on it. Additional information. Epson product setup contains everything you need to use your Epson product. This program downloads and installs the latest driver and software for your Epson product, and where applicable, download network utility. Then you select download. Then you go on the right side on the top, double click the file to open. Epson web installer, select yes. So it's updating. Thank you for using this Epson product. This application sets up the product for use to this computer. Then you select OK. Then licensing agreement. If you read the licensing agreement, then you scroll down to select accept. Select yes. Provision of product usage information. This is not compulsory. Allow for software usage. I'm going to decline this. Then select next. Thank you for choosing the product. Then it will ask you, have you finished installing the ink tank? Then you select yes. Click next. Now it's downloading required software. Downloading printer driver. We show you installing printer driver, installation, check the function, and finish. So this is how to install the driver for Epson EcoTank L5310. Now it's installing the scanner driver. So if you get to this point, then you need to choose connection via Wi-Fi network. And also, the way to do this is go to your printer, go to the LAN settings, select Wi-Fi connections, select Easy Wireless Connect, then you connect the printer to Wi-Fi network. Once it's connected, then you select Connect via Wi-Fi automatically. Then you select Next. It will search for the printer. Currently, I don't have any Epson printer right here with me, but this is what you need to do. It will search for the printer. Once you find the printer, then you select on it. It will show you the printer with the IP address. Then you select on it. And after that, once you've done that, then you select the software that you require. And after that, you select check functions and finish. So this is how to install the driver for Epson EcoTank L5310 series. Thank you very much indeed.